Brief accurate and important news of today's Tuesday. Maulvi Zabihullah Mujahid says that according to the order of His Highness the Amir al-Mu'minin Hafizahullah, Maulvi Sayyid Ahmad Shahid Khil has been appointed as the military appointee of the Ministry of Defense in Maulvi Abdul Rahman Munir as the ideological and cultural head of the Ministry of National Defense. The representatives of the European Union in Norway appreciated the actions and achievements of the Ministry of Public Health in their meeting with Dr. Kalandar Ibad and promised continuous assistance in cooperation with Afghanistan. Acting Minister of Public Health thanked them for their cooperation and said that the increase of health centers in the remote areas of Afghanistan and a reduction of polio virus are his work priorities. Foreign Minister Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi said in a meeting with the businessmen and investors in the region, Afghanistan is the shortest and best way to trade and connect Central and South Asia. The Supreme Court says the City Court of Laghman Province sentenced 2 defendants for the crime of sodomy. Various projects worth 1 million Afghans have been approved by the National Procurement Commission. The approved projects include the completion of third part of the Kamal Khan Dam, water dams, reconstruction of third road of Silo, enclosing walls, and 35 boxes of food for government university dormitories. Kabul municipality says a public awareness meeting was held on the promotion of urban culture and saving water. Officials of Lagar Department of Agriculture and Livestock says that the yield of fresh fruit has increased by 21% compared to last year. According to the official, this year 47,627 tons of crops were obtained from 3,977 acres of gardens in this province, which is 21% more than last year.